Today on Fueled by Barbecue, I'm talking about how I use the Oklahoma Joe's Tahoma just like I cook indoors in the oven. The difference is this has some amazing wood fire flavor and you can't beat it. Now, if you've watched me on the Dream It Make It barbecue channel, you know if I could only have one smoker, I would choose the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco. But this smoker right here is slowly coming up, and it may be even bypassing the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco if I could only have one. And the reason why is it's so easy, and I can cook anything on it and add this wonderful wood flavor that I was talking about. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Normally we cook enchiladas inside in the kitchen, but today we're cooking outdoors on the Tahoma. These are some Tex-Mex enchiladas. They're gonna be crazy good. But first, I went ahead and got a chimney's worth of charcoal. I always use a chimney's worth of charcoal to get this fired up. It is unlit. After I get the charcoal in the smoker, I go over, set the temperature to my desired temp at 375 for today's cook. Now let's head inside and get these enchiladas ready. All right, so I went ahead and got the cheese shredded up just now. Put the lid on it, set that to the side. I am gonna cook the meat in here on the stove top. Okay, so the Tahoma is up to 375. I've got the enchiladas all ready to go inside. I'm gonna go grab them and get them out here on the Tahoma. All right, they are on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take a pecan chunk, throw it into the fire. All right, now that the wood chunk is on there, I always cook with pecan when it comes to cooking any normal foods, and it's not like a brisket or a pork butt. If it's just normal foods going on the Tahoma, it is a pecan chunk because it's not going to overly smoke the food, and it just works out wonderful. You can grab your pecan wood chunks on the Oklahoma Joe's website. Now we wait about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll pull these off and get a taste. So the enchiladas are done. It's that easy. You can cook outside all the time. It's more fun than cooking indoors. And honestly, the wood fire always makes the food taste that much better. Again, I suggest the pecan wood chunks when cooking food like this, or if you're cooking any desserts out there, just like this. Now, here's a helpful tip, something that I made a mistake on when I first started cooking food on the smoker that wasn't like ribs and briskets and pork butts, when it was just normal things like this or desserts. And that is, don't go low and slow. There's no point. All it does is over smoke the food, and it doesn't even cook right, because these types of food are meant to cook at 375, not 200, 225. Don't cook low and slow when stuff like this. It will ruin your food. Cook at your normal temperature. You don't want it over smoky, and I promise you will enjoy it. All right, let's get a bite. Man, those are so good. If you like this video, hit that like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.